Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this classic yet elegant table runner using the combination of shell stitches and V stitches. This is the gorgeous results of this pattern. Okay, now let's make it. This pattern is the multiple of 10, so I will start with a slip knot. After that, I will make 70 chains plus 1. After making this 70 chains plus 1, I will make 1 single crochet in every stitch, so the total single crochets are 70. 1 single crochet in every stitch. One single crochet again. One single crochet. This is one last single crochet. After that, I'm going to start the main pattern. Start with 3 chains, then turn the work. Make 1 double crochet in this first stitch. Then make 1 chain. For this very first pattern, skip 5 stitches. Then make 3 double crochets in the 6th stitch. This is the first double crochet. This is the second double crochet. This is the third double crochet. Then 2 chains. After that, make 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. This is the first shell stitch. Okay, this one is the last double crochet. Then make 1 chain, skip 4 stitches, then make V stitch in the 5th stitch. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is what this classic pattern looks like. After that, make 1 chain, then skip 4 stitches, make 3 double crochets in the 5th stitch. This is the shell stitch pattern. Three, 2 chains, 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Chain 1, then skip 4 stitches again and make V stitch in the 5th stitch. This is the first double crochet. 2 chains and another double crochet in the same stitch. Then make 1 chain, skip 4 stitches, then make the next shell stitch. This is the first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. This shell stitch is made of 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. 2 chains, then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 chain, skip 4 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4. then make a V stitch in a 5th stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet in the same stitch. This is how to make a V stitch. Okay, you need to repeat these patterns to complete this first row. Okay, 1 chain. This one is the last pattern. Shell stitch. This shell stitch is made of 3 double crochets. 2nd double crochet, 3rd double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. This one is the last pattern for the first row. Make 1 chain, then skip 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a V stitch in this last stitch, but it's not a normal V stitch. You just need to make 2 double crochets that represents a V stitch. Okay, done. Okay, have a look. This is what this beautiful classics pattern looks like. Okay, now I will make the second row. I will start with 3 chains, then turn the work. This second row is much easier than the first one. Make the first double crochet in this very first stitch. Okay, then 1 chain. Okay, now you just need to make a shell stitch in this 2 chain space. Make 3 double crochets. Two chains, 3 more double crochets in this same space. Okay, then 1 chain, jump to the next 2 chain space. This one is the V stitch. Make another V stitch. Okay, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet in the same space. The second row and the next row are much easier than the first one. You just need to make the new pattern above the previous pattern. Okay, chain 1 down, the shell stitch. This shell stitch is made of 3 double crochets. This is the first one. This one is the second one. And this one is the third one. Okay, then 2 chains, 3 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, this one is the second double crochet, and this one is the third double crochet. 1 chain. You need to repeat this pattern until the end of this second row. V stitch, 2 chains, and another double crochet in the same space. Okay, have a look. This is what this classics pattern looks like. So gorgeous. Okay, you just need to repeat this pattern to complete this second row. This is the last patterns of the second row. I've just made a V stitch, then I will make chain 1. Then this is the last shell stitch for this second row. 3 double crochets. Second one. This one is the third one. Followed by 2 chains and 3 more double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then make 1 chain, make 2 double crochet that represent a V stitch inside this stitch. This is the first one. Don't worry, it's so easy to find this stitch. This is the second one. Okay, the second row of this classic pattern is complete. Repeat the pattern until you get the size that you want. This is the last row. Start with 3 chains. Okay, turn the work. Okay, make the first double crochet in this very first stitch. Then make 1 chain and make a shell stitch in this 2 chain space. Two chains, 3 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, then 1 chain, jump to the next V-stitch and make a new V-stitch. Repeat the main pattern to complete this last row. This is the last shell stitch of this last row. 3 double crochets. Two chains, 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. One chain, then this is the last V-stitch. This last V-stitch is represented by 2 double crochets. Okay, done. The pattern is complete. Okay, we show you the main result. Well everyone, this is the gorgeous result of this classic pattern. I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!